Are you frustrated by a sluggish WordPress website? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to speed up your WordPress site in just 5 straightforward steps. By the end, your site will load faster, your visitors will stick around longer, and even Google might give your rankings a boost. Let's dive in. First things first, your hosting provider is the foundation of your website's speed. Think of hosting like the piece of real estate your house sits on. If it's unstable or overcrowded, everything built on top of it suffers. I know it's tempting to go for the cheapest shared hosting you can find, but these plans often cram hundreds of websites onto the same server. That means you're battling for resources, and if one site is hogging all the bandwidth, yours could be left crawling. Instead, look for a reputable provider that offers SSD storage, which is much faster than traditional drives, built-in server-side caching, and support for the latest PHP version. Right now, that's PHP 8 or higher. Upgrading to managed WordPress hosting can be a game changer here. Not only are these environments tweaked specifically for WordPress performance, but many also include extra speed features out of the box. Next up, let's talk about caching. If you've never used caching before, picture it like making a photocopy of a complicated document. Instead of rebuilding it from scratch every single time someone asks, your server just hands out the copy. This massively reduces the work your web host has to do and makes your site load shockingly fast. To get started, you'll need a caching plugin. WP Rocket is a fantastic premium choice, but if you're looking for something free, W3 Total Cache and Lightspeed Cache are solid alternatives. Just be sure Lightspeed Cache matches your hosting environment. While setting up, enable browser caching as well. This lets your users' browsers save images and scripts the first time they visit, so things load instantly for them when they come back. Now let's tackle images. Images are often the biggest culprits behind slow websites because they take up a lot of space if not handled properly. Before uploading any image, make sure you resize it to the exact dimensions you need on your page. Uploading a massive 4,000 pixel wide photo, if it only appears as a 300 pixel icon, is a recipe for lag. To go further, install an image optimization plugin like Smush or Short Pixel. These tools will automatically crunch your images down to a smaller file size, often without any noticeable loss of quality. To make things even snappier, enable lazy loading. This means images and videos only load when someone actually scrolls down to see them, which can save a ton of bandwidth. For even better results, consider switching to modern image formats like WebP. These are much smaller than the old-school JPEGs and PNGs. Our fourth step is using a content delivery network, or CDN. Imagine your website's images and scripts are shipped worldwide, but without a CDN, every visitor grabs them from the same warehouse, no matter where they are. A CDN mirrors your static files across global servers, so your users always download them from the location closest to them. This reduces lag, especially for international visitors. Cloudflare is a popular choice and even has a really solid free plan, while StackPath and KeyCDN are also excellent if you're looking to compare options. The great news is many hosting providers and speed optimization plugins integrate CDNs with just a couple of clicks. Last but not least, keep your site lean and well-maintained. Over time, it's easy to accumulate unused themes and plugins, which can bloat your site and slow things down. Delete anything you're not actually using. Deactivating isn't enough. Get rid of it completely. Take a few moments to optimize your database with a plugin like WP Optimize. Clearing out old post revisions, spam comments, and other clutter can make a significant difference. Also, try to reduce the number of external scripts and, wherever possible, combine CSS and JavaScript files. Each extra file is a separate request for your server, so minimizing these makes loading much more efficient. If you follow these steps, you'll notice a dramatic improvement in your website's speed and user experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy optimizing!